Here we are at direct maintenance, and what we see are RKNs, special designed containers. These containers are used for medicines and can maintain the temperature whatever the outside weather conditions are. The containers can be used on a truck, train or aircraft. There are passengers sitting in the same aircraft as these containers. Therefore, there are very strict regulations from the FAA and EASA, which we have to obey as a company. And these containers have a high safety standard. In order to receive the FAA certification and the EASA certification, we had to make the stocks traceable from purchasing until to the work order until usage on the RKN. So each and every single part can be traced back from date of purchase until we have used them on the RKN. If there is a failure, we are able to track down the certain component, on which date it was installed by whom and whom purchased it at which company. So we are able to fully trace it back. That is quite a hassle to organize such things. We couldn't do it by hand or in Excel, and there was no such software available which could help us out until we found Novulo. Novulo helps us as well for our expiry date control. It is automated tracked, and we get a pop-up, an automated message whenever something will go due in a certain amount of time.
I'm an engineer, and I do components repair, investigation, and I have to do some revisions on the unit when it's necessary. Before the containers come in, C-Safe will send me an email saying which containers is coming in. Sometimes they have a sticker on the inside, and sometimes I have to print out the sticker. When I scan the sticker, the whole process will start. The system will give me the documents that I receive from the system is my work orders. So I have to follow those to complete the investigation and the repairs and the release of the unit. The most damage that we have here is when they leave from the aircraft. There are bent or there are holes in the bodywork, things like that, and they need to be repaired with a patch repair, or sometimes I have to do a sheet repair, means that I have to remove the whole side of a unit and put a new one in. When I do my feedback to C-Safe, C-Safe will answer me saying I have to replace that and that part. I go to the store, I take a part, I scan it with a hand scan, and then I will see that this is the right part that I have to use for the unit.
The software helps direct maintenance not only on parts tracing, production, logistics, but also with invoicing. Invoicing is available within the application, it's integrated, so whenever our RKN departs, we are able to make an invoice at once.